If you need to request a refund from Lyft, follow these straightforward steps to ensure a smooth process. Step 1. Open the Lyft app. Launch the Lyft app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access your ride history and account settings. Step 2. Access your ride history. Tap on the menu icon, usually located in the upper left corner of the screen. From the menu, select Ride History to view all your past rides. Step 3. Select the ride. Find the ride for which you want a refund. Tap on the specific ride to open the details, where you can see the fare breakdown and other relevant information. Step 4. Request a refund. Look for the option that says Get Help or Report an Issue. Choose the reason for your refund request, such as an overcharge or a service issue, and follow the prompts to submit your request. Step 5. Wait for a response. After submitting your refund request, monitor your email or the app for a response from Lyft. They typically respond within a few days, informing you of the outcome of your request. By following these steps, you can effectively navigate the refund process with Lyft. If you have any further questions, don't hesitate to reach out to the customer support for assistance.